button.
Well, then let them push the button. Go, go. Go, 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 go.
Watch out,
No, no,
guys.
no,
Come
no.
on.
Can I push the button?
Yes, push it down.
All right. Go, buddy. Go on.
Down button. Go. Come on.
See, it'll still end up
I
working.
pushed up Daddy on accident.
That's okay.
All right, go, buddy. They have other places to go.
Cute.
No, 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 no. Don't go in that elevator. Charlie,
Leave me.
come on.
No.
Okay. Charlie? No. Okay. Izzy, you have to help with your brother, bud.
Charlie.
Oh, goodness. Okay. There's no magic ice today. Let's go to the room. We have alarms going off.
No.
Don't pull him. Oh, goodness.
Open this way.
Sir,
What is it?
sir, no magic ice today. Okay, you can take over your chair for a second. Conquer your chair. Yes, Izzy. Charlie, conquer your chair.
Oh yeah, I will conquer your chair.
Izzy, that's his chair.
My chair too. Like, come on, Charlie.
He's like, no, it's my chair. All right, put him down, put him down. No, you have to go that way. Go the other way. Go the other way. There we go.
Bye.
And we're off again.
Bye. Bye, Charlie.
No, that's an outlet. Ah! Psst, no. Or are we just gonna sit here as a standoff? Look, Sissy's all the way down there. Yeah, you better catch her. Where's she going? Where is she going? She's gonna try to get you to go up and down the stairs. Because she's like, I don't want mommy in the bathroom working on my cat stuff. Oh, goodness. All right, down the stairs we go. Come on, buddy. Buddy, there's no more stairs. Izzy, don't block him. He's trying to come over here. Come on, buddy. Yes, do it very safely.
I'm doing it backwards.
No, that's not safe, Izzy. Charlie, that's not safe for you either.
I'm doing it carefully.
Come on, Charlie.
But you're doing
Yeah,
it
see, that's not as fun. I'm a mommy, I'm different. Okay, Charlie, we have to go by ice. Come on. Don't pull him. Come on, buddy. Okay, bye, Charlie. Bye, Charlie. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, goodness. Oh, there's no magic HVAC in this one.
Daddy.
Okay, Charlie, you were losing the privilege
Well,
of being a
because he
free
wants
cat.
to put his thingy back there. As we go.
Oh, you took a thing?
And he wants to put it back wherever it came from.
All right, well, we put it right here. There you go. All right, come on. Do you want to be carried? Oh, you bet. All right, Izzy, move. Oh, Charlie, come here. Oh, you've been captured.
I thought he was going to just kick you.
In protest. And try to slide down. She's like, Mama, I don't want to be carried. Oh, good grief. Okay. No more stairs. No more stairs. Whoop.
Charlie.
Don't close that door. Come on. Yes, it's a mirror. Okay, come on. Give me your paw. You're such a putz. Come on. Okay. Hold on to Sissy's hand. Be captured. Hold on, guys. Oh, come on. Somewhere in here we have keys. Or not. No, no, no. See? Move. Stop, Izzy. Let go of the handle. Okay. I know. You conked your head. Okay. All right, let go. All right.
We both need a nap.
Clearly. Clearly, you need a nap. And Charlie, everything apart. See, of course, the hotel room is a mess. Okay, Izzy, baby, when you grab me like that, you almost knocked me over, and I'm trying to put stuff in my pockets. I love you so very much. Oh. All right, I have to go in the bathroom and finish the cat stuff. Charlie, what do you have? Give me that. You already took my earrings. I know, I see. You and your bag. Okay. No TV, Isabel. Okay. Some food. We've got the battery. Laptop re-squared up. So Isabel left us some salad for her and her brother so that they can be eating.
We had salad in the trunk.
I have salad right here.
We had salad in the trunk.
Today you had salad in the truck.
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Not one of your salads. The salad that I made.
Okay, that was a speck of salad. That was not enough nutrition for you and your brother. You have salad and then you have pasta stuff. I'll even add some cheese to your salad. How about that? Do you want cheese added to your salad?
Yes.
Exactly. That's what the dressing is that I've been making in the thing. It's part of both of them. You just didn't know. Because Mommy's trying to make it where you guys eat more than just ranch dressing. You need to put your scissors up because if your brother ends up with the scissors, they're more going to be problems.
Mommy, they'll hurt.
It doesn't matter. You are 10, he is 18 months old. There's a big difference between you and him.
Actually, 1 year old if it's his birthday.
Okay, well, you call him either 18 months or a year and a half. And it's not polite to always try to find a reason to disagree with mommy, okay? It's perceived as being rude, and we don't want to be a rude cat. If someone is absolutely incorrect about something, then yes, feel free to say so. Here, there's your brother in his high chair. Then you guys eat that. I'm going to try to get your cat test submitted. Love you. Oh, goodness. Check on the white ingredients. Here are the lima beans from earlier. They are scrumptiously done. And yes, they are a little soupy because I like soupy bites. Because maybe, just maybe, if we had more soupy bites, we would not be such fat cats. Just saying. I'm not a fat cat. I have a healthy BMI. But I'm a fat cat for me. So, yeah. Oh my goodness. I have so many memory cards for you guys. Hello! Selfie stick is attacking me. I actually like the selfie stick whenever I'm working on stuff because if I need to use my phone, I don't have to hold it. So my phones are kind of living on the selfie sticks, even when they're not recording. That's great. Oh no, don't do that. The selfie stick just kind of doesn't mind on its own. Oh goodness. Stay. No. Stay. Stay. Okay. You have no earrings. I'm setting myself up for the toilet again. They had other stuff for lunch. Oh, it'll probably be lunch for tomorrow. Okay, little pizzas for the laptop. All right, I'm impatiently waiting for you guys to time out and try to fall over at the same time. I hope you have a great day, a fantastic, fantabulous day while I work on this and then do my monthly obligations. Bye.